am back with another nature hour. We grow bamboo out here. I love how versatile bamboo is. You can use it for just about anything. They use it for clothing, furniture, building houses, even jewelry making. So this is what the leaves look like. They're starting to dry and fold. You can see the contrast. It's very beautiful. And here you can see we started sanding some of them and chopping them into small little rings to make bangles. Well, I look forward to doing a few videos about how to make bangles out of bamboo. We are working on some organizers. You can also do some desktop props with them. So we're going to be turning those into some neat decor. And then here we have a vase. You can see on the inside that the notch is totally closed. So this makes a very nice vase for maybe some artificial flowers or maybe for a floral arrangement. I was trying to decide on what I wanted to do with these holders for maybe jewelry or organizers, desktop organizers for paper clips or something. I'm going to have to sand this some more. This is just so interesting. I love that bamboo has the shape. It has a little closure at the bottom. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I look forward to doing a lot of videos on how to make bangles, also some organizer ideas.